this video, I'll show you how to install the Reality IV mod in GTA 4 and make the weather and day cycle look more realistic. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the download option. Wait for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, select the download now option and download the mod. Once this download done, right click on the zip and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. First up here, right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your GTA 4 folder. Just copy the GTA 4 folder, paste it in same location, rename it as backup. Once you're done, open this GTA 4, open this Reality IV, drag and drop this PC inside the game folder, replace the file in the destination, and open the PC in the game folder, drag and drop these textures inside of PC folder, replace the file in the destination. Once this done, go back to game folder, to common, and then open the command in WinRAR, drag and drop this data inside of a folder, replace the file in the destination, and then open the shaders. Depends on the version you need to choose. In my case, I'm using episodes from Library City, so I'm choosing this. Once you choose the folder, double click and open the no DOF, drag and drop this shaders inside here, replace the file in the destination. Once this done, launch the game. I will add before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.